Hey foodies, it's James from Blogging Good Food. Today we are diving deep into the delicious evaluation of peanut butter cake. But ready for a taste through time as we uncover the fascinating history and mouth-watering transformations of this beloved treat. Origins of peanut butter cake. Our journey begins with the humble origins of peanut butter cake. Vintage ads enticing us and weathered recipe books holding the secrets of a bygone era. These artifacts take us back to the heart of old kitchens where this sweet journey started. The rise in popularity. As time marched on, peanut butter cake gained popularity. Look at these images capturing the essence of mid century homemakers with their aprons and smiles, baking up these delights. Flip through vintage magazine covers and you will see peanut butter cake stealing the spotlight, becoming the star of the desert scene. Peanut butter cake and innovations. Fast forward to today, where peanut butter cake has undergone incredible transformations. Explore these images showcasing modern bakeries pushing the boundaries of creativity with innovative cake designs. We will even do a side by side of classic and modern but a delicious evolution. Time flies in the world of peanut butter cake, and there you have it, the incredible journey of peanut butter cake. If you enjoyed this tasty trip through time, hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious content.